Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're in the heart of Seattle at the one and only Pike Place Market. From fresh seafood to hidden gems, let's dive into all the fun things you can experience here. Let's go. As you guys can see, just a few steps away, downtown Seattle's street art scene is always alive and thriving, from murals celebrating local culture to hidden artistic gems. It's worth taking a few moments to explore the creative energy in these alleyways. Pike Place is located right in the heart of downtown Seattle, just off of First Avenue and Pike Street. It opened in 1907 and it remains to still be one of the oldest operating public markets in the United States. Now, love it or hate it, you guys, you cannot skip the famous gum wall in Post Alley. What started as a quirky tradition in the 90s has turned into a sticky, ever-evolving art installation. And a fun fact, did you all know that the wall has been scrubbed clean a few times over the last years, but visitors just keep it alive by adding more gum. Now, right here, you've got some of the most beautiful flowers in Seattle. Some vendors even have bouquets that are as big as your whole body. It's the perfect place to grab a fresh bouquet for your home or to just give someone special. And of course, you can't come to Pike Place without grabbing a bite. There are so many delicious food stalls here, from fresh seafood to local pastries. Pike Place is definitely a foodie's paradise. Now it's time to go over to the legendary fish toss station. These guys are masters at throwing fish across the counter, but it's not just for show. It's a huge part of the market's history and fun to watch. Did you know they've been doing the fish toss here for decades? It started as a way to entertain customers, and now it's a worldwide sensation. Attention all art lovers, you guys are in for a treat. Pike Place is a home to talented local artists, showcasing everything from paintings to handmade crafts. It's a great place to discover one-of-a-kind pieces. Also, before you guys wrap your trip up to the Pike Place Market, you guys cannot forget to take a ride on the Great Wheel for an unforgettable view of the city and waterfront. It's just the perfect way to end a day at Pike Place. So there are actually a few levels to the market, so don't forget to head downstairs, you guys. You'll find quirky shops, vintage treasures, and hidden gems you might miss if you just stay up on top. There are also elevators downstairs as well as some restrooms too. Now, let's talk a little bit about parking. It can get busy, especially on the weekends, so I would highly recommend using the Pike Place Market garage, which offers reasonable rates. Or better yet, you could use public transportation if you can, or you could look around for some street parking as well. Thanks for exploring Pike Place Market with us. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know what your favorite part of Pike Place is in the comments. Until next time, happy exploring, everyone.